Very special to see Virat win after 18 years. Virat went to De Villiers and went to Chris Gayle, and he said that, these people fought for 18 years.
Which is very similar between you and Riteish and Virat and Anushka, that you guys adore each other so much.
We and Riteish always talk, and we're partners, right? Like we work together, we parent together.
हमारे फिल्मी ज्ञान पे जब भी पैप वीडियोस आते हैं, आपके दोनों बेटे हमेशा नमस्ते करते हैं, and that touches our heart so much.
So you just be grateful to it. Actually, he has a big impact in my life. We as actors, हम लोग very often हम लोग को लगता है कि हम लोग entitled है, ये रोल मिलना चाहिए था, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. काम करो.
When you truly love someone, आप उनको हमेशा सराखों पर रखते हैं. Genelia ने शायद सबको सराखों पर रखा है, whoever is around, and I am here. आज मैं आपको सराखों पर रखूंगी. मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Thank you so much.
कैसे हैं आप?
Super.
एकदम जोरों शोरों से प्रमोशन चालू है. अभी तो सितारे जमीन पर आ रहे हैं. How is the feeling?
It's unbelievable. Yeah, I think just to be part of such a special film means the world to me. मतलब result जो भी है, I think it's important to have your heart in the right place.
There's the fact that Aamir sir की presence, I know for a fact that वो हर चीज में involved रहते हैं. Production हो, music हो, especially music.
Yes.
इतना involvement रहता है, and when you are working with him. Yes. What is that feeling? You always learn from the actors you're working with.
Yes, unbelievable. Actually, he has a big impact in my life. I think the way he handles his production, the way he handles his scripts, the way he handles his actors, उनका जो processes है, auditions है, we as actors, हम लोग very often हम लोग को लगता है कि हम लोग entitled है, ये रोल मिलना चाहिए था, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. काम करो. I feel that's the approach that he gives you, and I feel वो बहुत important है कि एक actor को confidence मिलता है. I feel like by auditioning, he's of course auditioning me to see कि मैं वो रोल के लिए सही है कि नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे लिए भी ऐसा होता है कि I'm giving it my best shot क्योंकि मुझे ये करना है, and I feel in that process you become a better actor, and that's what he's doing for you. तो एक जो attitude होता है कि मैं auditions नहीं दूंगा, that I feel is stupidity to a large extent. एक जो trust on yourself develops from an audition. So I really think he plays a big part in films and in apart from him being a superstar, and I can't thank my stars कि मुझे ये opportunity मिला है, but I think apart from that एक जो honest conversations, एक उनका काम करने का तरीका जो है, I feel you get to see that so closely, and I've really taken a lot.
And सर आँखों पर जो गाना है, that is also which is something जो सबसे relate हो पा रहा है, और आपके प्रमोशन भी जोर शोर से चल रहे हैं. एक और चीज जो बहुत सोशल मीडिया पे छाई हुई है, वो है आपका हेलीकॉप्टर शो. Oh my God, that came out of the box, and I was like, you were so on point. Oh my God, and just oh my God. और कल था IPL final. RCB. How is the feeling? आपने shoot किया सबके साथ, promote किया, and then
RCB. No, it was very special. My boys are big cricket fans and football fans and all the sport fans, but they are. So we make it a whole family thing. Like we were up till 1 o'clock with the boys seeing, the match because it's holidays for them, and we were seeing it together, and it was very special to see Virat win after 18 years and see the camaraderie. मुझे लगता है ना, team work जो है वो सबसे important है. Like and I've played sport, my kids play sport. तो कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि you're on the side, you're sitting outside. पर ठीक है यार, team सबसे important है. And I feel if you have that feeling even in your day-to-day life, it makes such a big difference. And I saw that in the whole RCB final,
and
right?
even after celebration,
even after the fact that Virat went to De Villiers and went to Chris Gayle,
yes.
and he said that, you know, these people fought for 18 years. I mean, these are moments that as an audience looking, you think, yeah, we also should feel this in our life.
And then there's the one fact which is very similar between you and Riteish and Virat and Anushka, that you guys adore each other so much. The way he ran and the way you guys are. Personally and professionally, that is something which is very relatable to all of us.
I'm very glad and I'm very touched that you're saying this to me. But I think Riteish is a wonderful, wonderful person, and I think I just lucked out in having a partner. I always tell we and Riteish always talk, and we're partners, right? Like we work together, we parent together, we take decisions together. And I feel to find that comfort in someone is something you don't let go easily of.
अब मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना चल रहा है पिया हो रे पिया सॉन्ग देख के. बट बस एक लास्ट सेगमेंट है हैशटैग शो, उसके बाद हम हमारा सेगमेंट दूसरा वो करेंगे. आई विल टेक नेम्स फटाफट, जस्ट व्हाटएवर कम्स टू योर माइंड फर्स्ट उनको हैशटैग दे देना है. आर यू रेडी?
यस.
द हैशटैग शो, हैशटैग फॉर सितारे ज़मीन पर.
आमिर खान.
रितेश.
बेस्ट.
आमिर सर.
आमिर सर. Aamir sir, perfectionist. Imran, जाने तू. Virat, captain.
Anushka.
King. Anushka, fabulous actor.
Preeti Zinta.
So adorable.
And
so
lastly,
sweet.
and lastly, a hashtag to yourself.
Oh, you give me a hashtag.
You're the best mother. You're the best actor. You're the best wife.
Oh, thank you.
हमारे फिल्मी ज्ञान पे जब भी पैप वीडियोस आते हैं, आपके दोनों बेटे हमेशा नमस्ते करते हैं, and that touches our heart so much.
Oh, thank you.
So
thank
much.
You. No,
and it is something which is very natural.
It is also something that we taught them, because we just felt that. So one day my son asked Riteish and me that why is everyone coming here, you know, to click our picture. And he said, I don't think it's yours. So you just be grateful to it. And that's the only thing we said, and I think they have understood it.
Such a beautiful thought process, Genelia. मैं चाहती हूँ आप एक आखिरी मैसेज दे दें फैंस को for the film.
Sitaare Zameen Par is out on 20th June. Go and get yourself a ticket and let's see it in the theatres.
And let's rock it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Disha Surya Filmygyan wishes you all the best.
Thank you, Disha.
Post success interview करेंगे
फिर तो. Thank you, Disha.
Thank you so much.